Hi kids. Now you are going to learn about Indus civilization, which is also known as the Harappan civilization because it covers an area over 1.5 million square kilometers in India and Pakistan. That means apart from the Indus river also the Harappan civilization it was there. So only it is called as the Harappan civilization. Harappan civilization it extended up to the Pakistan in the west, Afghanistan into the north, Alamgirpur in the east, Daimabad in the south. Daimabad is in Maharashtra. Alamgirpur it's in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Now we will enter into the planned towns. Harappa had the well planned towns. It had the well planned streets and lanes and drainages and it used the baked and unbaked bricks and stones for the construction. A few of the houses had more than one floor. The tank called the Great Pot at Mohenjo-daro was an important structure. The Great Path is a swimming pool which used during the time of the festival to take bath. It had steps, it had several rooms separately for the women and separately for the men. And also in Harappa they had the granary to store the agriculture and animal domestication. The Harappans also practiced agriculture. They cultivated wheat, barley, and various types of millets. From this, we came to know that Asian civilization they know to cultivate the wheat, barley, and millets alone. They adopted a double cropping system. Patriotism was also known to them. They reared the cattle, sheep, as well as the goats. Next, pottery. The Harappan used painted potteries. Their potteries have a deep red slip and black paintings. The pottery has shapes like dish on stands, storage jars, perforated jars, goblets, S-shaped jars, plate, dishes, bowls, and pots. From the painting, we came to know they know about the pipiltry because on the pottery they painted like pipiltry leaves, fish scale designs, intersecting circle, zigzag lines, horizontal bands, as well as so much of the geometrical shapes. Metal tools and weapons. The Harappan used chest blades, copper object, and bone and ivory tools. They doesn't know about the iron itself. The tools and equipments where they used by them are pints, chisels, needles, fish hooks, razors, waiting pans, mirror, and antimony rods which were made of bronze. And rohri kit also used by them. Rohri kit it is the thing which used to make the blades. Textiles and ornaments. The Harappans used metal and stone ornaments. They had knowledge of cotton silk textiles. They made carnelian, copper and gold ornaments. And some of them had etched designs also in that one. And the Harappans exported them to the Mesopotamia. Trade and exchange. The Harappan had close trade links with the Mesopotamia. This one we came to know through the cuneiform inscription which mentioned the trade between the Harappan and Mesopotamian civilization. Weights and measures. The Harappan used copper plates and weight points were used for weighing balances. Sealings and scripts. The seals from various media such as steatite, copper, terracotta and ivory they were found in the Harappan sites. They were probably used in the trade activities. The Harappan script is in Dravidian language. Arts and amusement. The terracotta figurines, paintings on the pottery, and the bronze images from the Harappa site suggest the artistic skills of the Harappans. Priest king made of steatite and dancing girl made of bronze. Some of the example for the Mohenjo-daro art. Toy cards, rattles, wheels, tops, marbles, and hopscotches made in terracotta, also suggesting the amusement of the Harappan people. Religion. The Indus people had a close relationship with the nature. They worshipped pipal trees, and some of the terracotta figures resemble the mother goddess. Fire altars have been identified at Kalibangan. The Indus people buried the dead bodies. Burials were done elaborately. Original inhabitants and the culture. They spoke Dravidian language. Maybe they followed the Dravidian culture. Why the Indus culture it was declined? The Indus civilization and its urban features started declining from 1900 BC. Changes in climate, decline of the trade with Mesopotamia, and drying up or flooding of the river Indus, foreign invasion were maybe some of the reason that collapsed the civilization of the Indus people. And also some people they may be migrated from that place to southern and eastern direction. The Indus script. Indus script we may found in the seals in molded terracotta and also in pottery. Indus texts are very short. They used monosyllabic roots and single lingual text.